Hello everyone. Did you know that parallel computing, applied in solving optimization problems, is the use of multiple processors or computing units simultaneously to solve optimization problems faster and more efficiently? Instead of executing computations sequentially, tasks such as evaluating candidate solutions, computing gradients, or exploring search spaces are distributed across several cores, GPUs, or even networked computers. This approach significantly reduces computation time, enables handling of large-scale or complex optimization models, and improves solution quality by allowing broader exploration of possible solutions. It is widely applied in areas like engineering design, machine learning, and scientific simulations, where optimization tasks are computationally intensive. What do you think about parallel computing applied in solving large-scale complex optimization problems? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. And see you in the next video.